So today I'm using natural light. Summer is here, everywhere is bright. I'm in my kitchen right now. I said let me try it. Yeah, to see. Today I would like to talk through why I do this video. I don't want to do voiceover, so I just hope these birds around you are not going to sing too much. I close all the windows and cars are passing as well, in case if you hear any noise, pardon that. Okay guys, you're welcome. So today I'll be working with this unit from Wavymy. It's a bulb wig, 150 density. Came in this pack. You see they added a cap wig, pair of lashes, and a thank you card, an elastic band. So let me bring out the wig so that you guys can see. This is the wig. It's 10 inches and it's 4x4 lace front wig. 4x4, and at the back is attached. They attach little lace at the back of it. So you see, this is the wig. It came also with some combs, about 4 combs. Also the wig came with an adjustable strap. So guys, this is the wig on. So there's something I want to do. You can see the lace is here, the cap wig is here. So I want to cut here from it, because each time if I install my wigs, even if I push this back, I see this line. So what I want to do, I want to cut it from here like this. It's my first time of trying this. Then I'm going to cut this thick lace from it, because it's this place, this thick. See this one, they always show in front, so I want to remove that. Okay, so that is done. I'm going to shift it backward. Okay, I use that to cover my hair. You see, that's why we use gel just to put that down, so that it will be flat. People use got to be glue spray, but I'm afraid that always damage my edges, so that is why I want to use them. Okay, it's in form of board cap method. So this is my own method. So guys, now that it's done, I'm going to blow dry it. So I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. I'm going to take the styling gel, then apply. So I'm going to put a pattern. I'm going to put a very long pattern. So I'm going to lose it. Let's see. Guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And also, gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on the like button. And I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.